Hey everyone, this is Dhruveen, and in this session I'm going to talk about one of the interesting concepts of Project Octal. During this session we are going to talk about how we can administer and share our Power Virtual Agent chatbots. So now let's get started. In earlier session, we have discussed that how we can develop our Power Virtual Agent chatbots in Microsoft Teams, right? Now, during this session, we are going to distribute our Power Virtual Agent chatbots at organizational level as well as Teams level. So now, let me explain you that procedure in detail over here. So here I am on my PC and I have opened Power Virtual Agent apps from here, right? Now go to the chatbot section from here. Now just select your bot. So in previous session we have built the app Abhay IT Admin, right? Now from this section click on Publish Bot. The app is already been published. Now I wanted to share this bot with others, right? So I'm just clicking on Share the Bot. This will open this type of pop-up to us. Here we have two different options. One is submit for admin approval and second one is add to teams. Now first of all let me talk about add to teams option. This chatbot is something which is managed by one of the teams. The team's name is Power BI in Teams, right? Now, whenever I click on add to teams, meaning that only the users who has access of that particular team will be able to access this particular chatbot. Now, the app has been added to Teams, right? Now, let me move over to the Teams and let me check how many users have access of that Teams. So let's say I'm going here and this is my team Power BI in Teams, right? Now let me check out its members. So I'm just going here and I'm just checking that how many members do have an access of the team. So I'm clicking on manage teams. You can see here Dhruveen and Tejal has access of this particular teams. So Dhruveen and Tejal will be able to add this app, right? Now in order to use the app you need to click on ellipsis, click on more apps. Currently this app is something which is built by me, so you just need to click on build for DSHA27 section and here you will be find Abhay IT admin app over here, right? So just click on Abhay IT admin and just click on add. So that will add this chatbot to your teams and here it is. We are good to use this particular app from our teams, right? So the app has been installed successfully over here, right? Now let me log in with Tejal's account and let me check that Tejal is able to access that particular app or not, because Tejal is also a part of that teams, right? So let me go here. I logged in with Tejal's account here, right? Now what I wanted to do here is just click on ellipsis, click on more apps from here and now let me just refresh this browser once again and now let me check that if the app is available over here inside the team section or not. And here we are clicking on build for DSHA27 and Tejal is also a part of that teams, so she will be able to see this particular app over here, right? So just click on the app and just add the app. So Tejal is able to add this application over here, right? Now let me talk about one more thing. Let me log in with another user, that is Adel. Now Adel was not part of that team, so will he able to access the app? Let me show you. So here I am using Adel's account here. Now I'm clicking here and now I'm clicking on more apps, right? And now let's check for build for DSHA27. So Adel is not able to see that app over here in this section, right? Now so I think the first concept is clear for you, right? Now let me move over to my teams over here. Let me go to the Power Virtual Agents again and now let me talk about the second option, that is sharing this application across the organizational level, right? So I'm just selecting this one. Now I'm just going to the chatbot section from here and I'm just selecting my chatbot from here, which is Abhay IT admin. Now I'm clicking on publish bot section over here and now I'm clicking on share the bot, right? So here the first option is share with my organization, right? So once you click on submit for admin approval, meaning that admin should approve your chatbot to use across entire organization. So anyone from your organization will able to access that app. So I'm just clicking on submit for admin approval. So it will again ask for the same button. So just click on that, just provide the description and all the things, and if you want to change the icon and all, you can just change that. Right now I'm just clicking on submit for an admin approval and just click on save from here. Right, so it is submitted for the admin approval and it is waiting for an approval at this moment. Right now, as a admin, how can you approve this particular app? Right, for that, let's say I am logging with Dhruvin's account and I am opening Teams Admin Center. Now how to open Teams Admin Center? So click on this Humbug icon. Now from here just click on admin section. So this will be redirecting you this type of Microsoft 365 admin center. Right, now click on show all option from here, and from here we have Teams Admin Center. So if your account has an access as a Teams administrator, only at that time you will be able to open this particular tab over here. Right, so I have an access as a global administrator account. Right, so I have a team administrator right as well, so I'm able to open this thing. Once this Team Admin Center opens, you just need to click on Teams app section and click on manage app section. Now this will show all the available apps from the Teams. You need to search for your app over here. So my app name was Abhay, so I'm just searching that. So that app has been showing here. At this moment it is in blocked stage. I'm just clicking here. Right, and now if I want to approve this app, I just need to use publish option from here. Right, so I'm just submitting publish. So once we publish this app, it will be available for across the organization. Anyone from your organization will install and use this app. Right, now let me just open the Teams and check the status over here. So let me just refresh this pop-up over here and let's check like if the status is being changed here or not. And yes, it is published by your organization. Right, now anyone from your organization will able to access this particular Power Virtual Agent chatbots. Right, so now let me move over to the adults account. Adult do not have the access on the Teams, but now I published the app as across the organization, he should be able to access the app. Right, so what he need to do here is, let me just open up adults account first. This is adults account. Now if Adele want to use that app, Adele can click on this ellipsis icon. Adele can just search for the application from here and he will be see the app over here, as well as he can click on more apps. Once he click on more apps, he will be able to see that application into build for DSHA-27 section. So whenever he clicks here, he will be able to see that app over here. Right, he can just simply click on that and just add that application for his Teams account. Right, so now this app is something which is applicable across the organization. Right, now let's say let me open the Tejal's account from here. So I'm just opening Tejal's account here, and now let me check that where Tejal can see that particular app. I'm just clicking on ellipsis section from here. I'm clicking on more app section from here to build for DSHA-27 section, and this app is something which is part of Power BI for Teams app. So Tejal will be able to see this particular app into this section. So all the user who has the access on the Teams and for which the chatbot has been built, they would be able to see the app into this section, built by your colleague section. Other users will be able to see the application into built by your organization section. Right, so hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure that you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay tuned with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, podcast and Google Form. If you wish to receive the daily notification on your WhatsApp number from my channel, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. If you wish to listen different podcasts on Power Platform, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to my podcast homepage. Here you can listen the podcast on anchor.com, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast and Spotify, and lots of other platforms are also available over here. Stay tuned with me. This is Dhruvin signing off. Have a great day. Goodbye.